Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you what we use to protect our lawn ornaments as well as our garden decor. And today we're going to spray our DIY Raptor. Let's go outside and get started. All right, YouTubers, outside of the DIY Raptor now, and over the years, the poor thing has taken some abuse from the weather and sun. As you can see on the Raptor's back, there are a few cracks, and the place we purchased this Raptor from did mention that there was a UV protective coating on it. However, as you can see, it didn't really work. So we started doing some research and figured out the place that these awesome lawn ornaments are manufactured. And believe it or not, there is not a UV protective coating on this. So it is up to us, and unfortunately, we're starting this a little late. However, we're gonna do our best from here to save this DIY Raptor. So step number one, last night, we spent about 10 to 15 minutes washing this entire DIY Raptor with soap and water, scrubbed every area of it. And as we maneuvered over the cracks, we were very careful, applied very gentle pressure, but still did our best to clean any and all dust, grime, debris, anything that this Raptor has gathered over the years sitting out in the sun. And then this morning we allowed it to air dry for a couple hours. Now the sun is shining on it to dry it even more. And what we are going to do, I have laid cardboard to protect the driveway and slab. You might want to do it in the grass. However, here it is. Sun Guard extends the life of outdoor products. UV protectant for garden decor, plus more. This is a clear, non-yellowing spray coating. Protects against color fading, peeling, cracking, and can be used on polyresin, wood, metal, cement, plastic, etc. Check that out. We need sunscreen too. How awesome is that? On the back side are the very important instructions. Read these prior to use. And right here you can see the apply and spray. Shake can for 1 to 2 minutes before and during use. Test spray in an inconspicuous area first. Hold can 8 inches from surface. Spray in a crisscross pattern. That's important. And to avoid drips, apply 4 to 6 thin coats. Wait 1 minute between coats, which means this dries pretty fast. A milky appearance may occur. This will disappear in 24 hours or less. After a couple minutes of shaking, go ahead and perform your test spray. And we want to make sure that the spray is coming out properly and efficiently. And that looks really good. Back at the DIY Raptor, and again, 8 inches from the object you are spraying, and in a crisscross manner. We are going to start with the head. And I will continue this around the entire Raptor and all the way back to the tail. On the opposite side of the head, again, shake the can. Looking good. He likes this. Look at that big smile. All right, YouTubers, I put 5 coats on and went through 3.5 cans of the spray. And I moved it inside the garage to get it out of the sun. I'm gonna keep the garage open to not allow fumes from the spray to gather in the garage, as well as allow air to get in here and properly dry the product. And as you can see here, it does add a bit of a shine. And I like that. It's gonna look really pretty. I'll let it dry for a few days, and then I will position it in the flower bed and show you the end result. Here's the bottom view. The neck is all coated, and I coated inside the mouth as well as all the teeth, and I sprayed the eyes. Let's go check it out. There it is. What do you think? How cool is that? Very shiny. We love that location. Yes, you can still see the palette. Here's our plan with that. We're not going to bury it, because if we bury that palette, the palette itself will rot, and that's the last thing we want. Our plan is to go to a flower shop and purchase a bunch of miscellaneous flower pots and lay the flower pots all around that palette and the Raptor feet and claws, basically hiding that palette with a bunch of bright, beautiful flowers. That'll be pretty. And it turned out really good. And it's kind of later in the evening now. However, you can still see how shiny this product makes your lawn decor. Check that out. Look at the tail, especially. We love it. pretty neat. And the arms and claws, very shiny. We definitely recommend that spray or UV protection for your lawn decor. Hopefully this helps, DIYers. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very awesome and helpful for us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, we actually just had a irrigation system installed, and it loops around our entire house and manages all of our flower beds. And the coolest part about it is it's wireless and we can control it with our phones, which is really neat. And if you want to check that out and see what we purchased, definitely check out the video scrolling above. You may find it pretty cool.